I've carried 5 rocks from my hometown 16,000 kilometres away, and today was the day I would place them at the foot of the cruise to Ferrer. Each stone carried with it a name and a burden that we wanted to leave behind us. The last section before arriving at the cross would not be easy. It's one of the larger climbs on this way of St. James. Fortunately, there is a little Swiss-like chalet town near the steepest part of the incline. I was able to stop, rest and refuel with banana and Nutella crepe. The Iron Cross came into view and it was a bit overwhelming. This was one of the sights I was looking forward to seeing the most. It didn't disappoint. I put the burdens down and took some time to say the Pilgrim's Prayer. It was a surreal experience to finally be here. Arrived at my albergue, which was one of 2 in San Miguel with the same name. The new one, mine, was advertised as a modern with pool, magnificent views, but unfortunately it had the grumpiest staff I've ever met. The pilgrim dinner was satisfactory, but my company was interesting. There were 4, 2 Germans and 2 Americans, who obviously knew each other and were having a great time. And then there was myself with a Canadian young man. Unfortunately, the Canadian was very knowledgeable about all things and felt it necessary to let each member know how they were doing the Camino wrong. I left dinner early. It was unfortunate that I'd allowed this interaction to stop me from getting to know the other 4 out on a potentially great night and good friendships. It is the people that you meet on the pilgrimage that make it so special. Unlike your family back home, on the Camino, you get to choose who is a member of your Camino familia. Choose it wisely. Today I walked 36,663 paces, climbed 33 stories, and walked 24.8 kilometres. I stayed in the albergue La Casa de Paringo, which I gave 2.5 stars. It's a hotel more than an albergue. It lacks the spirit of the Camino. Its facilities are fantastic, even if the pool was empty, but there is a mood moving through Spain which is very anti-tourist, and the staff here seem to share that.